Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. In this video, I will show you how to block pop-ups in Google Chrome on your Android phone. Also, the steps are very similar on iPhone, so you can follow almost the same process there as well. If you are getting annoying pop-up ads while browsing, this setting will help you stop them easily. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your Android phone. Now tap on the three dots in the top right corner. Then tap on Settings. Scroll down and tap on Site Settings. Now find and tap on Pop-ups and Redirects. Make sure this option is set to Don't Allow Pop-ups. This will block most pop-up ads while you are browsing. You can also go back and check ads in Site Settings and keep it blocked for extra protection. So this is how you can block pop-ups in Chrome on Android. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Guide Pro.